In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI Video Generator 2025. This innovative tool is designed to help you create videos quickly and efficiently, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner. So let's dive right in and explore each step to get you started on your video making journey. First, you'll want to begin by opening Canva and heading over to the section where you can access various features. Once there, the first thing you'll need to do is click on Apps. This section is your gateway to all the powerful tools Canva offers, including the AI video generator we're exploring today. By accessing this section, you'll be primed to unlock the potential of video creation effortlessly. Now, once you've managed to navigate to the Apps section, your next step is to click on Magic Media. This feature is a powerhouse of creativity and AI-driven technology which assists you in making engaging and visually appealing media content. With just a simple click, the doors to endless possibilities begin to open, guiding you on a journey of effortless video creation. With the Magic Media experience unlocked, your next task is to click on Videos. This will direct you to a library of resources specifically tailored for video content creation. This comprehensive toolkit has been designed to give you access to video editing essentials, so you can achieve just about any style you envision. Now comes the fun part, typing in a description of the video you'd like to create. This is where your creativity and vision come into play. Think carefully about what you want your video to communicate and detail this in the description. Be as specific and creative as possible. This is the foundation upon which your video will be constructed. A well thought out description greatly helps the AI in understanding your requirements, ensuring the output aligns well with your expectations. After crafting your detailed description, it's time to move forward and click on Generate Video. Depending on the complexity of your request, this process can take anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, the AI is working hard to synthesize the input you've provided and translate it into a compelling video format. Finally, once your video is ready, all that's left to do is drag the generated video onto the page within Canva. This step allows you to see your creation in action, making any final tweaks or adjustments before finalizing your project. And there you have it. A concise step-by-step guide on how to use the Canva AI Video Generator 2025. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and explore the different functionalities Canva offers to refine your video making skills further. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we wish you the best in all your creative endeavors.